quiet. Something cool's gonna happen.
So what I thought I would do is start this bad boy so I can get some more motivation. Take it for a spin right now, and I can't tell you how tempted I am. But I gotta work. I gotta do my work first. Work first, then play. But it doesn't mean we can't rev it up, right? It's insane.